Roll it to mommy. Good job. Ready? Roll it back. Roll it to mommy. Yay! Good job. Roll it. Good job. Ready? Roll it. Here, Missy. That didn't take long. Come here. Roll it to mommy. Good job. Go over there. Go right here. Look. Go get the ball. Okay, roll it. Roll it to mommy. What are you doing? Oh, thank you. I'm going to roll it. Go back over. What? Good job.
Hi, baby. It's mommy. See mommy in the picture?
Hey, baby.
You want to tape stuff?
Gentle, baby. Be gentle. Here, get the ball.
Why don't you go roll the ball with mommy?
Come here and get the ball.
We'll tape you doing this, and then you can tape something later. Get the ball.